Okay, right.
Okay.
Well, everybody, I know it's been a while, but, you know, with daylight being short, we had a lot of chores to get done, gardening to get in. But we're going to get you caught up on how things are going. And Mr. Gunner wants to say hi. Say hello, Mr. Gunner. And I do believe we have got every doe in the yard pregnant, outside of one, and she's not old enough yet. So we're going to let you take a peek, see at everybody, and see how they're doing. This is Molly. And Molly is carrying a small, well, she's carrying a rather large watermelon. And so is Persephone right here. And she had one last year. She may have two this year. And the same way with Molly. She only had one last year. She might have two. There goes Little Moon. She's not old enough yet. But now here is Cinnamon. Come here, Cinnamon. Cinnamon with the great big horns. She is 2 weeks late. And she is miserable. But I know she's going to be a good mother. She's going to have a lot of babies. Even Cora got pregnant this year. She didn't get pregnant last year. So she got pregnant this year. And then we have Mammy. She looks like she's carrying one or two. And of course, our favorite, Nellie. She's in the hiding over there. Yeah, check out how wide Cinnamon is. You know she's got at least two. But anyway, we are going to go in here and feed, and then I'll show you an update on their new shelter. Alrighty, now that everybody is happy and eating, I was going to take you around and show you their new shelter, because I want you to take a look at what they did to the old one. Canvas does not hold up against goats. It just doesn't. So we got something new. So let's take a stroll back here to the back. Hey Gunner, are you getting your tummy full? There's everybody getting their fill. I don't think they'd ever get full, but not that they act like. It's okay, Moon. I'm not after you. Everybody remembers Moon. That was Nellie's last baby girl. Whenever she had the little spotted boy. And that's the girl, and she has really grown.
Okay.
Alright, so this is their new shelter. I really don't see them pushing through the sides of this. It's a nice 18 by 20. And they've got plenty of room, if they'll use it, to get in and out of the weather. And we actually built them something to sit on, to sleep on, to wear their hooves on. And it does look like they've been on it. There's plenty of turds. But we've made a platform with shingles. Keep the hooves warm down, because everybody knows in Tennessee this is going to get wet. It stays wet most of the time in the springtime, so that'll help out with the hooves quite well. But they've got good shelter for the winter, better than they had, and I don't think they're going to tear this one up. And eventually we're going to hang a hay feeder on one side, and they'll be good to go. Soon they'll have babies, and it'll be nice to see where they had the babies. Either in here or out in the woods. My luck, it'll be in the woods. So, that's the goat update for today. We'll catch you up on the next video. Alright, everybody. I want to shoot you a quick garden update because this is a surprise garden. We have a surprise potato patch. And what I mean by surprise is We cleaned up all of our potato tires, picked everything up, and we come out here to see if we could mow everything, get it ready for next spring, and we have potato sprouts up. Now, don't ask me how that happened, because I don't know. That was accidental. But we have got, everywhere there's a fence post, we've got a potato plant. I think there's more potatoes here than it was when I planted them this spring. So, in theory, it's supposed to be able to grow potatoes over the winter. So we're going to try it. We didn't lose nothing. So we're going to break hay bales over it so that they have some good cover for the winter and see what happens. We're supposed to be able to harvest them before potato planting next spring. So we'll give you an update on that whenever we see what we get.